Welcome everybody. A beautiful day. We're gonna have a beautiful work done today. I'm gonna put my extension here into the van. I'm gonna bring you guys along with us today. We just finished this one up here. I sent the bucket truck. You can see up there, he's up at the neighbors. I'm gonna start up there. We're doing the 2 houses here. Hadn't been done in 2-3 years. A lot of cedar hedge, a lot of hedge. It can only come out so nice when you don't do it that often. So we got this going on here. Look, we got some chickens here. Alright, we got that all done up there. We didn't do these little ones, but we did the big one over here. Grass is wet this morning. I don't know if the camera's getting that. See the corner of the house up there, looks really good. I'll walk around by the back. So if you guys enjoy these little like come along videos, you guys come along with us, see what we do. We'll show you a few of the jobs we do during the day. Can't show them all to you because we do 15 to 20 a day. So you see here what's on the ground. This is the cedar. That's what it looks like. That's a Taillage hedge. P-H-U-J-A. It's kind of hedge we have here in Canada. Well, where we are in the province Quebec. I don't know about the rest of the country. So this come out pretty good considering how rough it was. I didn't show you guys before, I should have. Raoul, demain t'es là? Alright, we're gonna start heading up to the next one, up the street there where you saw Brian with the bucket truck. This is where I sent Brian. You could see him with the bucket truck up the street. It was right here. So we did the part over there behind the garage. See, they built a big apartment building up behind here and all this stuff here. Raoul, camion. Cut a couple branches. That's what it's like getting this one done. Beautiful day. I think it's going to be a high of 19 or 20, which is about 70 degrees, 68, 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Very important. A lot of people, sometimes they lose our number. They just use that. Helps them out. All right. Grab a tarp for the guys. We have a tarps in this one right here. Come along, we'll go to the next one. Just getting to our next one. It's got this huge one here. I'm gonna fix it all up. Hasn't been done in 2 years. I don't know why people wait 2 years. They should do it every year. I'll go show you guys on the other side. It's gonna look good once it's done. We're getting the ladder out. Looks like it's 50 feet high. So we already did the top over on this side. We did that last week, I think. We did the neighbors. So I'll show you guys here as we go along, trimming these. These are cedar hedges here. Enjoy, you guys. I'll go up and show you guys. Just showing you guys along here. Alright, just finishing this one up here. See, Tanner's taking off. Looks really good, come out really nice. We also do this side over here. Show you guys over here, there isn't much room on the side of the house. That's why the guy has to get it cut every year. So as you can see here, not a crazy amount. Oh, look right here too, I cut it all out. Nothing's left. So you can see where we did it right here. Then you can see where it's not done here. Alright, just putting a extension back in the truck. I'll go show you guys out back here. Just a little job here. Finishing up with a couple little ones. It's always nice to have some smaller ones in the afternoon. So we try to always do the big ones in the morning and the smaller ones in the afternoon. We're not as powerful in the afternoon as we are in the morning. All done, not any longer than that. I had time to come out here, capture a little bit of it on film. I don't know if you guys know what film is. There's no more film, right? Alright, that's it. On to the next one. I'm going to show you guys the difference. Cedars that are trimmed every year and cedars that are not trimmed every year. You see over here the neighbors. See those cedar there? See how tight that is? Those are trimmed every year. These here are done every 2 years. So you can see the difference. Plus there's a tree here. That doesn't help. Right here. I'll go look out back, show you guys. Looks good. Last year I think we trimmed a few branches. Oh yeah, we cleared the electrical wire. I was wondering what we did. Yeah, we cleared that electrical wire for that tree there. They were having problems with that. Looks good all the way around. So I hope you guys are enjoying these videos of the work that we do. Just trying to bring you guys along with us. You guys can see what we do. You guys are part of the team. All right, so we're picking up. We're all done for the day. It's our last one. So see you guys next one. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Adios, amigos.